Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 10 pesos ng Mexico. Mayroong taon na 1997. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Mexico. The Mexican 10 pesos coin first issued in 1997 remains in circulation today. This bimetallic coin features a nickel brass center incised in an aluminum bronze ring measuring 28 mm in diameter and weighing of 10.33 grams. The obverse showcases Mexico's national coat of arms, an eagle perched on a prickly pear cactus, clutching a snake in its beak. This imagery symbolizes the Aztec heritage and the founding of Tenochtitlan. Now, Mexico City. Encircling this emblem is the inscription Estados Unidos Mexicanos, United Mexican States. The reverse displays a stylized depiction of Tonatiuh, the Aztec sun god, inspired by the central figure of the Aztec sun stone. This design pays homage to Mexico's rich pre-Columbian history. The coin's denomination $10 and the mint mark MO indicating the Mexican mint are also present. Historical context: in the 1990s, Mexico restructured its currency to stabilize the economy, introducing the new peso in 1993, which later reverted to peso in 1996. The 10 pesos coins introduced in 1997 was part of this transition, replacing earlier denominations and designs. Mintage and variations. The 1997 issue had a mintage of approximately 44,837,000 coins. Notably, in 2007, some coins featured an inverted bidding error, where the border denticles piece right instead of the standard left orientations, making these variants particularly interesting to collectors. Collectability and value. While the 10 pesos coin is a common in circulation, certain years with the lower mintages or errors, like the 2007 inverted bidding variant, can attract numismatists. Generally, circulated coins hold their face value, but uncirculated or error coins may command higher prices among collectors. The 1997 Mexican 10 pesos coins reflects the nation's cultural heritage and economic history, making it a significant piece for both everyday transactions and numismatic collections. The value of a 1997 Mexican 10 pesos coin on eBay varies based on its conditions and rarity. Circulated coins typically range from $1 to $3, while the uncirculated condition or rare variants can command higher prices, from $12.99 up to $25. Auction records for this 1997 Mexican 10 pesos coin are limited, as this coins relatively common and typically holds minimal numismatic value. Circulated examples often trade near their face value, approximately 10 Mexican pesos, or slightly higher depending on condition. So yan guys, ang napakagandang informasyon guys tungkol dito sa ating barya guys ng Mexico, ang 10 pesos. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.